Let's talk about this dark purple violet color, Moon Glow from Daniel Smith today. It's a very popular color and used by many people as a shadow color. The pigments did not disperse very well in the paint in water test. And next, when we do the water in paint test, you can see some interesting patterns being formed. When we look at the paint in detail, we can actually see that it's made up of a few pigments. There seem to be some green and red pigment when you plot selectively. So very interesting color to play with. I tried out some of these suggestions by Daniel Smith. And adding salt really does give a good effect. Here are the 3 different pigments that it's made up of, and my attempt to make this color. In this short front drawing, I tried to look for a building that is largely dark purple or brown. So this pub is called the Cockpit and it's in London. It's probably closed now. And I find that this it's quite an interesting combination of colors, the gold and the dark black greyish color. So as a result, I was able to use quite a lot of the Moon Glow in this sketch and explore the different intensity. So I particularly like how the paint separates when I use the wet on wet technique. It's a color to be used on its own and not as a mix. I really like this color. It's granulating. Because it's made out of a few pigments, your shadow wash will never be boring again. Go by and try it.